is in there? Mas, Item, Shane. Hello, Item.
Hello, teacher. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good morning, Item, Shane, and
Good
Mas.
morning, teacher.
Say good morning. Item, open your mouth. I want to hear you. Item. Good morning, Item.
Morning.
Say good morning, teacher. Open your mouth, Item.
Hallelujah. Morning, Kak.
Morning, Item. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. I miss you. Shake. Hi,
I miss
Shane.
you too.
Good morning. So welcome to our online class again. Good morning, Shane. Okay. Heart sign. Okay, now. Okay, how many? We only have 3. So we are now in our math, okay? You have to prepare first your math sheet, Item, and math. Yes, this one. You have to prepare your math book, Master Math Skills book. Okay? Okay, now can we start? Let us start to prepare your Master Math Skills book. Prepare your Master Math Skills book, Math. Yes, hello, Harriet. Good morning, Harriet. Welcome. Welcome to our math class. Hello, Harriet. Good morning. Harriet, you prepare first your book. Prepare your Master Math Skills book, Harriet. Hi, Tess. Good morning, Tess. Good morning. You prepare your Master Math Skills book. We are going to answer this one, okay? Okay, prepare first your Master Math Skills book before we start. Okay? And open it to page number 2. We are now in page 2, okay? We are going to discuss this one. Are you ready? Okay, now let us start. I prepared this one for you. Okay, lesson, just a minute. We have this one. Okay, welcome to our math class. So we have Math, Item, Shane, Harwich, and King. So let us start.
Good morning, teacher.
You know, in addition, good morning. Hi, Nietzsche. Hi, Nietzsche. Okay, now Nietzsche is also here. Good morning, Nietzsche. So let us start now. We are now in addition. Are you ready for addition, right? Okay, we are now in addition. And Nietzsche, you have to open your book, Nietzsche. And you prepare your book, your Master Math Skills book, okay? Page number 2. Complete the picture. Here, complete the picture diagram. Write the sum. Okay, you have to listen to this one first. You have to listen to this. Video. Listen to this and enjoy. Let's go to the next. Okay, so okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now let us continue. I want you to look at this one, to check this one out again, okay? You have to check this one out first. before we go and
นับนะมีเท่าไหร่
Upgrade.
let's count all together. Four plus eight. You understand? You like it? Okay, that is about addition, okay? Okay, that video will help you understand more about addition. Now let's continue. Let us now discuss our topic, okay? Okay, we have in here, I prepared this one for you. We have this different kind of fruits. We have our first fruit is pears. Okay, we have pears, and can we count? Can you help me count how many pears we have in here? You have to count, okay? Okay, let us count all together and answer this one, okay? Count all together and let us answer, okay? One, two, three. So we have 3 pears, right? And we have to write the number 3, the answer. Okay? So 3 pears plus this one, we have additional pears there. So we have to count again. 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay, so after that, you need to write the number 3. And can you count how many pears we have in here? Total? 3 plus 3. 6. Very good, Nita. 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3. You have to count the pairs. So it will be easy for you to know the answer. Okay? Come on, Nichan. We have 3 pairs here and another 3. What is the answer? 3 plus 3 equals 6. You say 6, right? Okay, 6. So very good, Nisha. Shane, very good. How about Aida? 3 plus 3. I can go back to the seat item. Mas, okay, Mas, let's go. Mas, 3 your screen, Mas? You have to count all together, okay? Mas, what is your answer, Mas? 3 plus 3. 6. Very good, Mas. And how about Harris? Harris, 3 plus 3. What is your answer, Harris? 3
3
plus 3.
plus 3 plus
3 plus 3 equals
6.
Put it down.
6. So in order for you to answer easily, you have to just count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here 6, the total of 6 pairs. And after that one, after you know the answer, you have to write it down, right? Okay, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 total pairs, and you have to write the number. Okay, now let's go to this one. This kind of fruit. I think this one is berries, okay? So we have this one here. How many berries we have? Can you help me count? Help me count, Shane, Tisha. How many berries we have in here? 1. Okay, Shane. Nisha. Harry. Them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 berries. So after you count, you have to write the numbers like that, right? And after in the other side, plus how many berries in here? In the other side, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you count, you have to write the number like that. The number 5. You have to write the number 5. And then you know, you have to count the total amount. Okay? How many all in total? Berries, then 4. I chain 4 plus 5. Wow! 9. Very good.
7, 8, 9. 9.
Very good, teacher. How about math? 4 plus 5. Math? Math. 4 plus 5. Okay, how about here,
เอาใหม่ค่ะ
Good morning,
James.
hello, James. Okay, prepare your master math textbook, James. Come on, James. Okay, now we have, how about courage? 4 plus 5 equals how much, courage? How many in total? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. And you have to count so you can know the total. How many? So we have, how many? What's the answer, Harry? You have to count, Harry, okay? 4 plus 5 equals? Now, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Harris? So the total is 9. Okay? So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, Mas, item, James, 10. Okay? Okay, very good. So you are all very good. So after you finish counting and you know already the answer, you have to draw the fruits here like that. And the other side, you have to draw the total amount of fruits. And you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer like that. Okay, this is how you will do in your page number 2, okay? You have first to, you have to count, and you have to do the total. This is an addition, okay? And you have to draw here the total object of this one here. Our example is different from your book, okay? So you need to do this one. And our screen, this is only an example. Now let's go to the last, this one. I think this one, this fruit is a dragon fruit. Can you help me count, Shane? Help me count the dragon fruit, Shane, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So after you finish, you have to write the numbers below, like that, okay? And then, how about Shane? Can you help me count?
1, 2, 3.
3, very good. And now we have to write the number 3, okay? And the question now is 4 plus 3 equals? Huh? 8? 7. How about this? 4 plus 3 equals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7.
7. Yes, very good, Nisha. The answer is 7. So you're very good. All you have to do, if you want to answer it right away, you just have to count. Okay? And now let's go to Mas. I want to hear from you, Mas. 4 plus 3. Mas, 4 plus 3. Look at here, Mas. 4 plus 7. Very good, Mas. And now, Harris, 4 plus 3. Harris, 4 plus 3. Look at here in the screen, Harris. Okay, let us count together, Harris. Look at here, open your mouth, Harris. Count with me, okay? Okay, Harris. Let us count the dragon fruits. Okay, 1. Come on, Harris. 1, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7. So we have how many? How many dragon fruits, Harris? We have 7. 7. Yes, very good. How about James? Can you answer, James? Can you answer 4 plus 3, James? 4 plus 3.
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3. Can you count, James? 4 plus 3. Come on, James. Count with me, James. This one, the dragon fruit, okay? James, open your mouth, okay? So count with me. 1, 2, 3. Come on, James. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, James. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, James. 4 plus 3, 4. So continue counting. 5, 6, 7.
Okay, up.
7. Okay, very good, James. 7, right? Again, James, can you count? Can you count? I want to hear. 1,
1,
2, come on.
2,
Okay. 3,
3,
and 4.
4,
Yes. 5,
5,
6,
6,
7. Okay. 7. Okay.
7.
Okay. So the total number of dragon fruits is 7. So we have to write here number 7. The total amount. We have to write number 7 and we have to draw the total amount of dragon fruit like that. Okay, all you have to do is to count and you have to also draw the total amount and write the numbers. Okay, write the correct amount. The total amount. Okay, you understand? I can the item. Okay, can I see you in the screen? Just a minute. Okay, now let's continue to this one. Let's continue to our next example. So we have in here, again, and so we have, but help me count again, Shane. Shane? Can you help me count the orange, Shane? This one. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, after you count, you have to write number 2 like that, okay? And again, Shane, 2 plus Shane. Help me count again, Shane. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals how many? 2 plus 3? 5. Very good, Shane. And how about Nisha? 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 equals? 5. Equals? Nisha, I cannot hear you. 2 plus 3 equals? 5. Okay, very good. And how about Max? 2 plus 3?
5.
Very good, Max. And how about Harry? 2 plus 3, Harry? 5. And how about James? 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3, James? 2 plus 3? James, 2 plus 3 is?
250.
Now this one, James, the orange, this one. 1. James. 1, 2. James. 2 plus 3. Okay, now let's go to our example number 2. How about 10? 10. Hello, 10. Can you have 2 plus 3, 10? Can you answer here?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5.
5. Very good.
It's 5.
Very good, Dan. And how about I-10? 2 plus 3, I-10. Where are you? I-10, where are you? Okay, so the answer here is 5. You have to write down the number like that. Okay. Well, we have here pineapple. So how many pineapple we have here? Okay. Look at here, Shane. How many pineapple we have here, Shane? Shane, look at here first. How many pineapple? Pineapple. 1, 3. Okay, so after you count, you have to write the number like that. And then plus, Shane, look at here again.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, another 3 pineapple. The answer is 3 plus 3 is?
ตอนนี้มี
Very good. And how about Nisha? 3 plus 3?
7 ตัวที่7ตรงนี้ปลามี2
Nisha, look at you, Nisha.
ยังคิดว่าปลามี3 เก็บเอาไว้ว่านี่เตรียมดู
Nisha, 3
7 บวก 1 เท่ากับเท่าไหร่ ดูนิ้วพี่
Teacher, 3 plus 3.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8งั้นก็เขียน8ตรงนี้
3 plus
โอ้ชูมือให้น้องดูแล้วก็ให้น้องนับเองไม่บอก
3. Okay. So you have to write the same
แล้ว
way.
ก็วาด
You
ส้
have
ม
to
แป
write.
ด
You have to
ลูก
count the total amount.
วาดวงกลมเป็น8แล้วก็วาดใบสักหน่อย
3, 4, 5, 6.
ก็คือไม่ร้องไห้แปลว่าหยอดยาได้ผล
Write the answer. Okay, like that. And now
แต่บางอันมันก็ไม่มีใบ
the
แต่
last
บางอันไม่มีใบต้องวาดแบบ
fruit
แต่มันจะมีใบที่หัวมันเป็นไง
again.
เดี๋ยวเพียงที่ก่อน
Paint.
น้องไม่เห็นวาดส้ม
Change.
ต้องวาดตรงนี้ก่อนแล้วก็ใส่นะ
3. So you have to write 3 here. And how about this one? 10. Can you count?
การกีฬาศาสนาวัฒนธรรมประเพณี
10. Can you count?
นี่คืออันดัน
How many fruits we have in here? Can you count? 1. I cannot hear you, 10. This last
one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
ไม่
3,
เฉพาะตรงนี้เป็น
5.
5. And how?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. จะครบแล้วยังจีเหลืออีกลูกเดียวลูกเดียวก็ครบ
พัดไป
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8ออกยังถ้าจะฟ้าเนาะ 6 7 8
The fruits.
8
8. Okay, very good, 10. Okay, 10 says this one number. The total amount of fruit is 8. So you know already how to answer it. You know already how to answer it.
1 2 3 4
You know already how to
5
answer it.
วาดอีกหนูก็วาดเส้นวงกลมอีก3 วงกลม
You finish answer again.
ยัง
James, you finish answer your book.
not yet
Okay, you have to finish. You have to answer your book. Okay.
ดูนิ้วพี่2 6 3 เท่ากันเท่าไหร่
Okay, Shane.
พอ5 พอเขียน5ตรงนี้
Okay, this is you
ครบ
just
แล้วเหรอ
you just do same here in our example. Okay, just answer it and finish. Okay, our time is already up, so I want to say thank you.
พี่วาดให้ดอกหนึ่งแล้วที่เหลือ1 ได้
And I'll see you again tomorrow. You have to answer and finish answer your book. Okay,
เชื่อพี่
just answer
ฟิ
your book.
นิช
James,
แล้วก็วาดอีกดอกหนึ่ง
you have to finish it, James. Okay. Okay,
เชื่อว่า
Mas.
ไอฟินิช
James,
ฟินิช
finish. Okay, very good, James. Okay, Mas, James, Shane, Nisha, Harish,
ยังวันนี้เต็มดู
Boils
Yeah.
is still there. Item. Okay, I want to say thank you. And thank you so much for your answering the book. And very good, Shane. Very good, Shane. Okay, now I want to say thank you, and our time is already up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again.
ไม่ดัน
Okay, Mickey Mouse. Say thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Okay, so heart, fine, but okay, very good, man. Very good. I will give you many stars because you cooperate our class. Okay, our topic. You answered very good, and you are all.
โอ้โหพี่แม็กโคตรเก่งอ่ะ
I like
พี่แม็กเขียนหน้านี้มั่ง
Okay.
ลบซะลบหนูลบเอง จะลบไปไหนก็ลบ
answer you finish your work, okay? Okay, bye, Shin. Teacher, bye. Bye, bye, bye. I love you.
Bye.
ไม่มาตายขู่ไม่ว่าอุ้ยเขาไม่รับอยู่
Okay, bye, bye,
ไม่
teacher.
บอกทำไม
See you again tomorrow, Kiku.